Gulzarilal Nanda, the steadfast guardian of Indian democracy. Gulzarilal Nanda, a prominent figure in Indian politics, is best remembered for his interim premiership during two critical periods of India's history. A statesman of impeccable integrity and dedication, Nanda's contributions to India's political landscape, particularly his role as the acting Prime Minister during times of national crisis, have cemented his legacy as a guardian of Indian democracy. This article delves into the life, career, and enduring influence of Gulzarilal Nanda. Early life and education. Born on July 4, 1898, in Sialkot, Punjab, now in Pakistan, Gulzarilal Nanda's early years were marked by a strong inclination towards social service and education. He completed his higher education at Allahabad University, earning a master's degree in economics. Nanda's academic background laid the foundation for his future contributions to labor welfare and economic policy in India. Entry into politics. Nanda's political journey began in the 1920s when he joined the Indian National Congress and participated in the non-cooperation movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. His commitment to Gandhian principles and his active involvement in the freedom struggle distinguished him as a dedicated and principled leader. He was imprisoned several times for his participation in civil disobedience movements, underscoring his unwavering commitment to India's independence. Role in labor welfare. Nanda's expertise in labor issues became evident during his tenure as the Minister of Labour in the Bombay Presidency in the 1940s. He was instrumental in implementing policies aimed at improving labor conditions and advocating for workers' rights. His work in this domain earned him a reputation as a compassionate and effective administrator, which later led to his appointment as the Union Minister for Labour in independent India. Contributions as a Union Minister. As the Union Minister for Labour, Nanda played a pivotal role in shaping India's labour policies and promoting social justice. He was responsible for the establishment of several labour welfare schemes and institutions, including the Employees State Insurance Corporation (ESIC) and the National Employment Service. His initiatives were aimed at ensuring fair wages, improving working conditions, and providing social security to the working class. Interim premiership. Gulzarilal Nanda's most notable contributions to Indian politics came during his two brief stints as the acting Prime Minister of India. The first instance was following the death of Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in May 1964. As the senior-most minister in the cabinet, Nanda was appointed as the interim Prime Minister until Lal Bahadur Shastri was chosen as Nehru's successor. The second instance occurred in January 1966, after the sudden demise of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri in Tashkent. Once again, Nanda stepped in as the interim Prime Minister, providing stability and continuity during a period of national mourning and political uncertainty. In both instances, Nanda's leadership ensured a smooth transition of power, upholding the democratic principles and constitutional processes of India. Legacy and influence. Gulzarilal Nanda's legacy is defined by his unwavering commitment to public service, integrity, and democratic values. Despite his brief tenures as acting Prime Minister, his impact on Indian politics and governance is profound. Nanda's dedication to labour welfare, social justice, and his role in safeguarding India's democratic framework during times of transition are remembered with respect and admiration. Nanda's humility and simplicity were reflected in his personal life as well. He lived a life of austerity and remained committed to the principles of honesty and transparency throughout his career. Even after retiring from active politics, he continued to be involved in social and educational activities, contributing to the betterment of society until his passing on January 15, 1998. Conclusion. Gulzarilal Nanda's life and career exemplify the values of dedication, integrity, and selfless service. His contributions to labour welfare, his role in India's freedom struggle, and his stewardship during crucial periods of political transition highlight his importance in the annals of Indian history. As a steadfast guardian of Indian democracy, Nanda's legacy continues to inspire future generations of leaders committed to upholding the principles of justice, equality, and democratic governance.